The 48-watt flexible wall washer is a new approach to traditional fixed linear wall washing. Forget everything you know about lighting. This isn't just a product, it's a revolution in illumination. Unleash light. Redefine spaces. Imagine walls that don't just exist, but come alive. Our 48-watt flexible wall washer turns every surface into a canvas of brilliance. With a thundering 3,582 lumens per meter, this isn't lighting, it's visual poetry. Using 48-watt high-output LEDs and a proprietary lens design that sculpts light like a digital maestro. Seamlessly illuminate from 2 to 8 meters with zero compromise and full DMX512. Compatibility with silky smooth 0 to 100%. Dimming. Our IP67 waterproof rating means this wall washer doesn't just survive, it thrives. Solid adhesive casting ensures reliability that's as tough as it is beautiful. From architecture to art. Whether you're highlighting the angular drama of a modern building, creating magic in a garden, electrifying a bridge, or crafting light narratives in an art space, this is your creative weapon. Precision meets passion. Adjustable mounting brackets? Check. Anti-glare baffles to protect eyes? Absolutely. Endless creative possibilities? Unlimited. More than a light, a vision. The 48-watt flexible wall washer isn't just technology. It's where engineering meets imagination and where light becomes language. Ready to redefine illumination? Contact us now. Let's turn your wildest lighting dreams into breathtaking reality.